Hi children, how are you all? Today's topic EDS growing up, plants and human beings. Let us start the class. Please listen everyone.
We all grow up. A baby who is born recently is known as a newborn, tiny, cannot talk, walk, or crawl. We all grow up. Infant. Infant has grown a little than a newborn baby. Still a baby but can crawl. Cannot take care of themselves. Parents have to look after them. Still a baby but can crawl. Cannot take care of themselves. Parents have to look after them. So infant has grown a little than a newborn baby. Have you understood? Toddler. A toddler is a child 12 to 36 month old. They can walk, can run in unsteady steps. Okay. We all grow up. Young child below 13, they can walk, talk and eat by own. Go to school. Teenager below 19. Adult 19 years above. We all grow up. Old. Body become weak, not able to run and play anymore. Another one. All living things grow. Seed. Seeding means small plant, tree. All living things grow. Eggs, nestings, adult bird. Stage of our growth: newborn, infant, toddler, young child, teenager, adult, old. All living things grow. As we grow, we learn to grow things on our own. Growth in plants: seed, seeding, the next big. Points to remember: all living things grow, like human beings, animals and plants also grow. A puppy grows into a dog and a kitten grows to become a cat. We grow with passage of time. Our body needs food, exercise and rest to grow properly. When do babies begin to turn over? The another one question: why do small babies need to be carried? Let us see. The baby learn to recognize its mother. It's learn to recognize other people. It begins to have other foods. Mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Then gradually it's being to speak. Whenever it is a boy or girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. When they become bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy become a big boy. A small girl become a big girl. All the age of 6, children start school. They keep growing in night until the age of 18. Okay, the baby learn to recognize its mother. It's learn to recognize other people. Until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height but weight keeps increasing. Good habits and good food helps to maintain good health. We benefit from regular exercise. Even after 40 years of ago, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight becomes weak, hair starts then turning grey. In old age, the baby's strength, further hearing and memory become weaker, teeth begin to fall, we sleep less and develop various destroys one day death across. Okay, children, have you understood more? Even after 40 years of ago, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight become weak. Many reasons. Growth of plants. Just as a people change over a period of time, so do plants. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plants in produce for the sprout to grow. It must take root in the soil. Only then does the seeding that grows from the spot flourish. A new term, germination. The sporing of seed is also known as germination. We will see the another one. Look at the picture. Root, fruit, leaves, flowers. At the proper stage of its growth, the plants begin to flower. Fruits develop from flowers. These fruits have seeds. From those seeds, new plants to grow. So look at the picture. First root, second leaf, another one flower, the next one fruit. A tree must withstand the sun, wind and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. This makes the tree weaker. At last the tree trunk break. The tree fall down. All plants die. However, the causes are different. Children, have you understood growing up lesson? Okay, we will see the next class. Thank you for your listening, kids.